Alright, today we're going to do a real simple install on the Hellcat and get rid of the active exhaust. Active exhaust really does nothing but make it quieter at low RPMs and low throttle. Opening up that valve will give it a little bit more noise, not too much, but at least set us up for when we delete the mid mufflers. Alright, it's all jacked up and supported under the control arm. Light pressure on the jack. Don't need it that high, just enough to get under there and grab the actuators. So this is the actuator. This is the simulator plate. All that happens is the simulator plate mounts up to the actuator. Spring fits in. They bolt together. You're good to go. And a few minutes later, here's what one assembled side looks like. You can see how the actuator is attached to the plate, and the plate has two stops on it with an arm, basically to fake the computer into thinking the valve is actually working. Now we just got to put this back in, lock the valve in place, and fire her up. Alright, so these are the springs, or actually the locks that hold the valve open. Basically, this fits in where the actuator used to, and that's held down by one of the original nuts. So once it's all done, I'll take some pictures, but real simple. So that's the valve pinned open. There's the actuator all mounted up. Alright, let's see how she sounds.